Alright, let's look at homework 11.10, problem number 8. Alright, so let's use Maclaurin series to evaluate this limit. Alright, so let's write it down. So this is going to be equal to, right? So you have a limit as x approaches 0. Alright, so I guess I have to make it kind of big fraction. Alright, so you have a 1 here, minus, right, cosine is going to be 1 minus, right, so x squared, but this is 2x, so it's going to be a 2x squared over 2 factorial, and plus 2x to the 4th power over 4 factorial, and a minus 2x to the 6th power over 6 factorial, and so on. So I think we have enough terms there, right? Then the denominator is 1 plus 2x minus, then we have exponential function, so it's going to be e to the 2x will be 1 plus, all right, 2x plus, all right, 2x squared over 2 factorial plus 2x over a cubed over 3 factorial, and so on. Alright, then we can cancel a bunch of terms, right? So we have 1 cancel with 1 here, right? And also here 1 cancel with 1, and 2x minus 2x. Right, then we got that. Right, then what we need to do is we can, let's see, everyone seems to have at least x squared in there. Alright, maybe I should write that down. Alright, so this is going to be, if you clean it up, alright, limit x is approaching 0. Then it's a big fraction, right? Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide top and bottom by, so I'm going to divide by, how about 2x squared. And we're going to do the same thing here, 2x squared. Alright, then what you get is going to be here. Alright, so it's going to be a negative, negative, it's positive, so the 2x squared cancel out. So you have a 1 over 2 factorial, and plus here, 2x squared over 4 factorial, minus 2x to the 4th power over 6 factorial, and so on. Alright, on the bottom, we would have, let's see, oh, actually, I messed up something. Here's a negative, negative, positive, so this guy should have been negative, right? Probably didn't really matter, but I'll put that. And here, it's, let's see, negative, negative, so it just should have been positive. And after that, actually, I messed up all the signs, huh? Alright, so it's going to be there. Alright, and on the bottom, you can see that this is going to cancel out, so it's 1 over 2 factorial. And next one is it's going to be this is actually minus, and this is going to be minus 2x, just 2x over 3 factorial, right? And so on. So you have let's see, so it's going to be minus, and so on. Alright, that's all we need, because here, since x is approaching 0, we know that this term goes to 0. And everyone else after that is going to have some x in it, so that's going to all goes to 0. And the same here. This guy goes to 0 because it has an x in it. This guy goes to 0. And all these guys will go to 0. Right, so what you get is, let's see, so it's a 1/2 here, 1/2 there. There's a negative sign, so this is going to be simply -1. Right, so let's type it in. Right, submit for testing. All right, looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.